Hello, Daniel from Poster Boy. I'm just going to talk now about why you should convert fonts to curves or shapes, depending what your design software calls it. Essentially, you're taking it from a font and turning it into a shape or an object. Now, I'll just tell you why we need to do this. Now, if I look at these two different artworks that I've received, they've both been supplied as PDF. They've both got bleed and crop marks and all those good things. But if you go up to File, Properties, and usually you'll start in Description, but one of the tabs is Fonts. So you can see on this green artwork there's no fonts. But on this white one over here, File, Properties, fonts, you can see I've got all kinds of fonts still in here. Now if you look at the way these two different files react, when I select this tool, you can see I can interact with all this stuff. Whereas when I go to this green artwork, you know, like I can't do anything to this text because it's objects now. It's not text anymore. Now I'll show you what can happen. Now this is the white artwork. Now you watch as I drag it in here. And I import it into my design software, which is Corel Draw. So it's going to think for a little while. Okay, now that all looks pretty good, looks fine, but believe me, there is a small problem, and that is right here. Okay, just here. Now if I go back to the artwork, right, and I zoom in, here, okay, or, it should say or, right, and it says nothing. And the reason for that is because the fonts haven't been converted to shapes. When any other kind of design software or RIP software interacts with it, then it's got to re-render the artwork and it can make mistakes. So in this instance, it's just deleted a tiny little word. And in this case, it was a critical word because what this piece of artwork is it's an offer. So the customer can have this product, or, you know, the important or, they can have this product. But because it doesn't have that or, what this basically says is you can have all of this and all of this. So just losing those two little letters, you know, made this print completely unusable, and we had to resupply it. And look, this can happen at any stage when anything is interacting with the artwork. So converting your artwork to fonts, from fonts to shapes or curves, just limits the chance of this kind of mistake happening, and it'll give you a better output from your print artwork. So look, I hope that helps. Thank you.